Stoic, he won't hurt you. Don't let! Don't! No, don't hurt him! Stay back!
Разбитая душа, и все твои обещания пустота.
Thank you for saving my son.